Natural food supplement, usually mas kilala siya as nutraceuticals. So, ito yung mga existing ngayon sa markets. Natural ingredients sila ng food. Beneficial siya. So, example, yung nowadays sa tomatoes, yung lycopene, and then yung sa tea at saka sa red wines, meron silang tannins. Nagiging antioxidant sila. So, they are known to prevent cancer at the same time. Flaxseed, more on fiber siya. So, it prevents colon cancer, sa digestive system, adds bulk, adds fiber. And then, yung monoterpenes. So, usually found sila sa citrus food. So, ano rin siya, boost our resistance. At the same time, saponins, more on green vegetables. So, ang ano naman nila, more on immune system din, yung point ng, kanilang forte. So, usually they also known as ingredient to prevent cancer nowadays.
Fitroom contains green tea extract